If you're a homeowner age 62 or older and you need access to your home equity without giving up your current low mortgage rate, a senior HELOC from Trust Financial Group could be the perfect solution. Here's the problem most seniors run into. You've built up significant equity in your home, but the only options you hear about are cash out refinances and reverse mortgages. A cash out refi means replacing your current mortgage, and if you locked in a low rate years ago, that's a terrible trade. A reverse mortgage is a major financial commitment that not everyone needs or wants. A senior HELOC gives you a third option. A senior HELOC is a home equity line of credit designed specifically for homeowners 62 and older. It sits behind your existing mortgage as a second lien, which means your current rate stays exactly where it is. You get a revolving line of credit up to $400,000 that you can draw from whenever you need it for up to 10 years. Here's what makes a senior HELOC so attractive. You only make interest-only payments on what you borrow. The principal isn't due until the home is sold. There's no traditional appraisal required. Your home's value is determined automatically, and pre-qualification uses a soft credit inquiry, so checking your eligibility won't affect your credit score. The entire senior HELOC application is done online. There's no trip to the bank, no stacks of paperwork. Most borrowers are approved and funded in as few as 5 business days. Whether you need funds for home renovations, medical expenses, debt consolidation, or simply want a financial safety net, a senior HELOC gives you flexible access to your equity on your terms without disrupting your existing mortgage. At Trust Financial Group, we will walk you through every step and help you determine whether a senior HELOC is the right fit for your situation. Ready to find out how much equity you can access? Click below to connect with a trust loan officer. No appraisal, no rate sacrifice, just your equity, available when you need it.